Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joel, your friend. Today we're gonna be figuring out how to fix iPad screen. It can be any iPad you want. It doesn't really matter. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitch, and TikTok.
2 hours later.
These are the stuff that you need. A screen replacement that comes with the tools. You can buy it at Amazon or eBay. And a heat gun at your local tools department. When working with tools, you have to have your parents' permission or someone watching you to use the tools that we have. So the first step is by heating the edges. So, because it has glue under the screen, the screen should come off like a book, but that's what we're gonna do. Once you heat up the edges, you wanna use your tool and go around the iPad. So, that's it. This is how it should look like once you open it and heat the edges and peel off the glue. You see, it might take time, but it's worth it. Screen is moved. We have to move these four. We have to unscrew these 4 screws. So that's it. Now we have these ribbons here that we need to take off. In order to take them off, we have to take off this cap. You see here? Okay, so once we took off the cap, we want to take off these peels to take off the screen. Hold on. Let me. So this wire from the home button, there's this small little space. You just have to take off the tape, peel off the tape.
Okay.
And then you're supposed to just slide it in. This just slide in. And now after you do that, we need to put the left you need to put this to snap it back on. Okay, so you don't want to leave any fingerprints on the LCD screen, because then once you're looking at the screen, the fingerprints are gonna be there. So that's very important. Everything is tucked in and put in properly. You want to give it a test. So let's give it a test. Everything works good. Let's see, touch. Home button is not gonna work yet until I'll explain it. Since our other home button doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, we're going to swap it because our old home screen came with the fingerprint scanner.
6 months later.
So we've already fixed the home button. Once you've done that, we super glued this since the package didn't come with glue. And it's been a couple hours, but it took us a few hours, but it's worth it. And like and subscribe and
thank you for watching this video. And before we announce this, just thank you for watching this video. Bye.
Bye.
Sir. Okay.